The mission here at Hunter, it's very clear and it's very important to us. So number one, keep customers comfortable. Number two, we want to save customers money. Number three, we want to commit to doing it better than anyone else. Number four, we want to honor God with our heart for the way we do it. And it's all based off of my favorite verse in the Bible. Colossians 3:23 says this, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as if you're working for the Lord and not for men." That gives us meaning. That gives us a reason to do our job extremely well. And everybody on our team, they have a little wristband, and it's a reminder, and it has that verse. And so whenever we're working in an attic, or maybe we're doing some monotonous paperwork, whatever it is, and the temptation may be there to take a shortcut, you look down, you see that verse, and you realize, I'm doing this for a bigger reason, a bigger cause, and I need to give it all I got with all my heart. So it's a constant reminder. Do we fail? Absolutely. But thank God we have a God of grace that allows us that. But that is the true mission of Hunter. The vision here at Hunter is to get really good at what we do, make it repeatable, develop leaders, and then go out and duplicate in similar markets.